Welcome to Overview to Learning Environment Modeling. In this video, I introduce a process called Learning Environment Modeling, or LEM. Learning Environment Modeling is the process for creating visual models that are used in course design and teaching experiences, in much the same way blueprints or site plans are used in architecture or urban planning. The goal for using learning environment models is to communicate ideas that are essential to course design and teaching decisions and knowledge sharing. Instead of writing out a lesson plan or using training guides, LEM is a process that uses visual symbols that help you understand and communicate information about the courses you're designing or teaching. LEM supports course design and teaching experiences by enhancing your understanding, decision-making, and communication throughout a course design and teaching experience. LEM uses a specific language called LEML, or Learning Environment Modeling Language, as a consistent set of symbols to communicate information about course design and teaching experiences. The Learning Environment Modeling Language, or LEML, is a specific toolkit for modeling learning environments. LEML is simple and fast to use for creating and evaluating instructional plans. LEM uses LEML to visualize information about the way a learning environment is designed to support greater understanding, comparing instructional approaches, annotating learning environments, changing instructional plans, remembering, and sharing instructional knowledge. LEM can use both analog methods such as paper and pencil, whiteboards, or post-it notes, or digital methods such as flowcharting software. As you're using LEM, analog methods work very well early in the design process, while digital tools are more productive later in the design process, when the ideas are typically more solidified. As you are using learning environment modeling, keep in mind several tips for success. First, modeling should be a visual process and allow for open idea sharing and dialogue. Work collaboratively when possible. Next, when modeling using LEM, it's best to keep the ideas movable. This means that when modeling a learning environment, allow ideas to be easily changed and fluid in formats that support this type of dynamic design process. Finally, LEM should help to simplify complexity that is often present in course design and teaching experiences. Use LEM and LEML to communicate clearly and to reduce this complexity. In this video, I introduced learning environment modeling and the learning environment modeling language as a process and a toolkit for enhancing course design and teaching experiences.